Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of comparing monetary incentives. This is standard 7.13F in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 28 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Zachary is buying 4 tires for his car, and we've got a table showing the different prices, and we've got some sales. We got to figure out which sale will he get the lowest price on 4 tires. Store R, S, T, or V. So you notice we've got different prices per tire, 150, 200, 175, 130, but that doesn't quite matter. We do need to remember he's going to buy four tires, but it's the sale that really changes things. So look at this. Buy 3 tires and get the 4th free. So we'll just start calculating here. So store R, right? And I'll put that right here. So if we just want 4 tires, we can get 150, 150, 150, and then that 4th one is going to be free, right? So we can just add the 3 150s and we're going to get 450. So that seems pretty simple, right? So that's pretty cool. You're going to get 1 free. But is that the best deal? We don't know until we compare all of them. So let's check with S right here. So wow, $200 a tire. That's a lot. But if you buy 4 tires and receive $70 off the price of each tire. So we know that we're going to buy 4 tires. So the base price is $200 per tire. But since we're going to buy all 4, we get a new base price because we're going to take $70 off of each. Now, look, you've got 4 tires that are $130 each, which is better than this 150. But we've got to pay for all 4 of these new tires. See how this is tricky? We got to subtract 70 and then multiply by 4. So even though, let's see, that's going to be 12. Even though it's a better price per tire, 130 as opposed to 150, when we did the 150 up there, remember we got that 4th tire free. So we're paying $520 for tires as opposed to $450. So right now R is doing a little bit better. Let's check with T here. 175 each. Buy 4 tires, receive $200 off the total. Okay, so it's not a price per tire. Let's just see what 175 times 4 is. I'm going to take away, because that's kind of expensive. Take away 200 from that. So that's going to be 20. 28. That's 30. Wow. $700, but now we get $200 off. And so we do $200 off. It's a little bit better. I mean, it's better than store S, but so far store R is still looking pretty good. So we've got $500 here. So it's going to be either R or V. They didn't want to put a vowel in there. I'm not sure why it's not store U. All right, so wow, that's the cheapest starting point. Look at that, 130. Cheapest starting point. Buy 4 tires and receive 10% off the total price. So it's the cheapest price per tire. Doesn't mean it's going to have the cheapest total amount. So buy 4 tires, and let's just get what 4 tires is. 130 times 4. That's going to be 0. That's going to be 12. 520. But now 10% off. So we've got 2 different options. We can either do your 520, take away 10% of the 520. So we're going to have to multiply the 520 times the 10%. Or we can just realize that if you take 100% and you take away your 10%, you know how much you get left? 90%. So let's just multiply 520 times 90%. I'm going to do 0.9 just to make it a little bit easier. And that will give us the amount that's left. Be a little bit smaller. 0, 18, 45, 46. Put a decimal right there. $4.68. Our best price is still store RF.